Hi-ol. This little Nissan 350Z is not a converted Hot Wheels model. I made it entirely from plasticine. I know it's hard for you to believe this, but it's true. I tried very hard to make it look very similar. And I will say that this model turned out to be almost perfect for such a small scale. The detailing of the car is the same as in 20 for scale, considering that it is 60 for scale like Hot Wheels cars. I absolutely love this Nissan, and that's why I worked hard on it. It was almost jewelry work. To make all these small details, there is a selection of the engine interior and the underbody of the car. I also implemented opening doors and a hood. The engine was sculpted based on this photo. I fiddled with the discs separately. I think I selected the necessary discs for the Nissan, and also made brake discs with yellow pads. This Nissan was made using drawings, which is why it was possible to create such clear body shapes, and also looked at the model in Forza Horizon 4. This is already the second model in the Hot Wheels scale. The first was the Volga 24. And I really like making such small cars. To create them, you don't need to prepare a lot of flat plasticine sheets, and of course, much less time is needed to create them. It took me 50 hours to create this Nissan over 6 days of work. If I had made it in 20 for scale, it would have taken 5 times longer. This model will go into the collection and will stand on the shelf. For modeling, I used very hard NSP plasticine. It holds its shape perfectly, which is a big plus for modeling small parts. This Nissan was assembled in parts, that is, it cut out parts of the body, such as the hood, roof, doors, from very thin sheets of plasticine. The maximum thickness was 1 millimeter and the thinnest was about 0.4 millimeters. And this NSP, despite the fact that it is so thin, holds its shape. Now I will show you the process of building a Nissan step by step. And this is how this Nissan 350Z was created. I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe to the channel if you are here for the first time and you are interested in my plasticine creativity. Thank you all for watching by everyone.